Good evening. My name is Lina Leon. I am 40 years old. My national is Colombian and I currently live in Cali, Valle del Cauca. My family is made up of my mother, father, sister, nephew, brother-in-law, a boyfriend, and my son. I live apart for my son in our apartment. He works and studies business administration. I have working in a dermatology pharmacy for 30 years as a manager. 6 years ago, I graduated as a pharmacy regent, and I'm currently in the sixth semester of business administration. My greatest wish to finish my current degree to climb in the company where I worked in the marketing area. My hobby is playing tennis. I'm cooking in my free time. My dream is to visit Canada, especially the city of Toronto, and hopefully in the winter season it will be great to have the experience. I like going to the movies, hanging, go out with friends, and getting to know strange places. Yeah, thanks.